Platform 6. For the 1626. Regional service to Denthorpe. Calling at Warden, Wilmington South, Airport Parkway, Airport, Winston Grove, Bentley, Hampton, Denham, Woodthorpe, Latham, Heathley, Queensbridge, and Denthorpe. Passengers for Wolf Mill should change at Wilmington South. This train has 4 coaches.
Platform 3 for the 1750 Intercity Express service to Cromwell, calling at Airport, Bentley, Hampton, Stanton Bridge, Hadwell Junction, and Cromwell. This train has 4 coaches. Platform 2 for the 1903 Intercity Express Consumer service to Bentley via Cross Road, calling at Warden and Cross Road where the train divides. Please travel in the front 6 coaches for Donmore Airport and Bentley. The back 3 coaches of the train will detach and terminate at Cross Road. This train has 9 coaches.